If you are tired of weak blenders that leave massive ice chunks in your smoothies, upgrading your kitchen with the Ninja Professional Blender 2.0 changes everything. Packed with a powerhouse 200-watt motor and stacked, total crushing blades, this blender effortlessly turns rock-solid ice into smooth, sippable snow in seconds. Whether you are whipping up morning protein shakes, creamy frozen drinks, or silky soups for the entire family, the spacious 72-ounce pitcher handles big batches with ease. Plus, with intelligent Auto IQ technology, automated blending programs take all the guesswork out of your prep. When you are done, cleanup is effortless because the container, lid, and blades are completely dishwasher-safe. Stop settling for lumpy drinks and frustrating kitchen prep. You can grab this exact Ninja Professional Blender right now at the best available discount by clicking the Amazon link provided in the video description below. Tap that link today and elevate your blending game.